This EA completely changed my trading style because, hey everybody, Marin here from Algo Trading Space Team. I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to talk about one of my favorite robots, and actually this is one of the first robots that we found several years ago. And guys, our goal is to test all the EAs in the world and find all the best ones, but we can't do it alone, we can't do it without your help. If you guys subscribe to this channel, we can turn the Algo Trading Space in the ultimate platform where everybody can see transparent live results with unmanipulated track records. So make sure to subscribe, and this will help us a lot achieve that, so you can see and pick the profitable EAs at any moment. Okay, let me switch to my screen and show you which is the robot I'm talking about. So I'm on the Algo Trading Space homepage, and what I'm going to show you today is the Happy Forex robot. And I know many of you will say that we have seen this robot many times in many videos, but what I will show you today, guys, is something very interesting. I will show you how the EA is set up in the different accounts that we have, and I will show you why in some of the accounts it outperforms the others. So I scroll down to the results that we have here, and you can see the Happy Forex. It trades on several accounts, and actually I was monitoring the accounts yesterday, and I figured out that on the iPhone's account there is no floating loss, but on the other accounts we have some floating loss, and here we have some profit as well. So I started to ask myself what's happening, why here we don't have this floating loss while on the other accounts we have it, and I will show you something very interesting right now. But before I do this, let me show you the account and the setup that we have here. So this is an iPhone's account, and you can see that the EA made almost $1,000 of a profit, and there is a $600 withdrawal here. If I scroll a little bit up, you can see the withdrawal here about 2 months ago. But what's interesting here, guys, and what caught my attention actually, is like I showed to you, in this account there is no floating loss at the moment, but in the other accounts we have floating loss. So you can see this is the Happy Forex robot, and there are a lot of settings here, but what I want to focus on and what is the most important here is the profit out targets and the watts. So what the profit out target means, I will minimize this a little bit like this, and you can see here that we're trading two currency pairs, Aussie USD and Euro Swiss, both on the H1 chart. And as you can see here on the charts, profit all order is 30, and here we see the same, and actual status of all orders is 0. And to show you what's happening here, I will just close this window here, and I will add one more column, which is the magic number. And here you can see that all the trades happen with the same magic number actually. And something other interesting, you can see the closed trades here. If you look at this sequence of closed trades, they all close at the same time. There's 1-2 seconds difference, but this is because of the time it takes to close the orders, also delay, slippage, and that kind of stuff. But anyways, what's important here is that the EA was trying to achieve a combined profit of all those trades here to be $30. And once it happened, it closed the trades. There is a logic, there is a strategy behind it. You can see it is buying and it is selling. It's not just trading one direction or another and waiting for some coincidence. And actually here is even more visible. You can see it opened the sell trade with Euro Swiss and buy trade with Aussie USD, and you can see they all closed at the same time, and the overall profit is almost $30, which is the profit target which we have set here. So the way this robot works is it tries to achieve this profit target, which is set in the settings. And when I talk about settings, let me show you actually the settings that we are using in the other accounts. So here are the other accounts. Like I said, we have different setups in the different accounts. So let me show you the numbers. I made this simple table where I have put all the platforms that we are trading this robot, the initial balances, the profit targets which we have set in the different accounts, and also the lot sizes. And actually I tried to make this simple formula to calculate how much profit we are targeting based on the initial balance for the different accounts. But what's important, guys, you can see here that on the iPhone's account we are trading with 0.1 risk, and we are targeting about 0.20% profit from the initial balance. Then we have another platform with the same lot size, but the profit target is double, and here we have a floating loss at the moment. Then we have double lot size, and the profit target is like 6 or 7 times bigger compared to what we have at iPhones. Here we have even higher lot size, and the profit target is also higher. And finally on the live account with the lowest possible lots, we have a profit target of $10. So how we came up with this setup? First of all, we have the Happy Forex running on a demo account for quite a long time. And actually, guys, all our demo accounts are accessible to VIP Club members, so you can see the stats of all the accounts, all the robots that we are testing. We have some robots which we are testing for quite long and some new, and this is a great way to see what's about to come in our videos in the future, but also to keep an eye on very promising robots. Let me show you the track record of this demo account, and if I go to the stats and then to the charts and to the floating profit and loss hourly, you can see here with the setup on this demo account that the lowest it went was -8%. This is a $10,000 account, and if I go to the overview and I go to the orders, you can see we are trading it here with 0.1 watts. So basically we did the math here. The max the demo account went was almost -10%. And with iPhones we have this drawdown of 10%. Let me go back to the website website and show iPhones. So if I go to their pricing, and here you can see maximum overall loss is 10%. So with that in mind, and the fact that with our default settings we were reaching -8%, it was reasonable enough to think that trading with the same lot size, we could go close to -8%. So what we did here, actually in the demo account, the profit target is $100. So we decided to lower that one in order to trade low risk and stay within the drawdown limit. And as you saw, guys, the account is growing very steadily. This is the cumulative profit. And if I go to the balance, you can see here the withdrawal at the beginning of October. And actually something else interesting that confirms this theory. If I go again to the stats here, and if I click on the robot name from the vendor's website, you can find this robot here in the Happy Forex 10 EAs pack. And I'll click here and I'll scroll down their track record. You can see different settings and setups here. So we are using setting 3. Here's the result. And if I click on the drawdown, you can see even here on this track record, the drawdown is very low. This is a long running track record actually. So this combined with our demo testing and our experience with this robot from all the other accounts was the reason why we decided to make the setup this way. And before I wrap up this video, something I mentioned at the beginning, how you can get this robot without paying for the license. So if you go to our trading space homepage and click on the free EA section, this is a relatively new campaign that we started recently. And actually if I scroll down a little bit here to the see eligible brokers and firms, and you can see here the Happy Forex. So in order to get a free license for the Happy Forex robot, you need to get a master plan or higher with iPhones. And once you do this, you can come here, you go to the form. Remember that you need to click on our affiliate link before you open the account, then enter your details here, the email that you used to register with iPhone so we can easily find you under our affiliate. Also, you need to upload a screenshot of your MetaTrader account history so we can see that the account was recently opened and the balance matches master account or higher. Then select the platform for which you want a license and the number for the account. Pay attention, guys, the number cannot be changed later. This is just one license, lock to that one account. So be sure to pick the account and platform that you want to trade in the future. And like I said at the beginning, with iPhones there is something interesting. And if I switch to my live account again, and you can see there are no commissions and swaps. And actually the founders of iPhones covered that topic in the podcast they made with Petco. I'll put the link in the description below. So this was my quick look at Happy Forex. Again, I'm very excited that I had the chance to make this video. I was waiting for it for a long time, and I'm very excited that I was able to show the iPhone setup because like you saw, guys, we made already withdrawal from this account. It's not in a floating loss at the moment. It rates relatively stable, and hopefully we will be able to make more withdrawals in the future. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. If you want to see more analysis like this from me and from the team, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this robot and the iPhone's platform, you can write them in the comments below. I will be very happy to chat with you about them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.